Okay guys, today we're at Klassikstadt in Frankfurt, a real classic. And we're gonna start directly with some cars. So, let's go. Hi, sorry for interrupting the video. I currently saw that over 70% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel, and as we want to reach a goal of 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, I would really appreciate if you like the content, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's for free, and it really helps us a lot. Thank you for watching, and now we jump back to the video. Okay guys, so first of all, I want to show you. So we have an old Bugatti Type 49. We have an old Bugatti Type 49. And look at this. Look at that classic. It's like, it stands there like it left the production yesterday. I really think that this, I mean, yes, so here's the thing, okay? So we all car guys, we all love modified cars, we all love tuned cars, but that's how it started, okay? That's literally how it started, and I think this is so nostalgic and this is so amazing. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think about these cars, because I personally think that's pure nostalgic, and having them on some lower rims, no, I'm just kidding, we don't do that, okay? Yeah, let's see what else we find here, okay? Okay guys, so I hope you like the impressions from the ground floor. Now we're gonna go to the first floor and let's see what beauties we do find here. Corey, you're freaking out, are you? It's crazy, is it? Absolutely, what cars we have here.
Diverse cars here.
Yeah.
And the quality and the condition of the cars are...
Yeah, the quality, I mean, the Mercedes we showed earlier downstairs is like super crazy, or? Have you seen a car that is like 35 to 40 years old in that condition?
I mean, it's like a new car.
Yeah.
Basically a new car.
Yeah. Like it's left the production like yesterday, right? So it's super.
Today.
Yeah, today. It left today.
This morning.
Yeah. So guys, we found something really cool. Okay, so we found a watchmaker here, and he has like a watch where is a winner car.
I was in the crew. Yeah, at the crew or in the crew.
Really?
Yeah, and but I support Matthias.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so I have also the parts from the cars. I asked the owner, and it's allowed to take that, and then I make a special.
And then you're
edition.
gonna build it into the watch.
Yes, exactly.
Oh my God, that's so fantastic, is it?
Piece by piece, a small piece.
Yes.
Yes, we can use only a small piece individual.
Oh.
So this is one of the piece.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
That's so
this is coming
amazing.
from here.
Wow.
And we make it very small.
Okay, that's
And then
super.
we put it. It's custom request at the 6 o'clock position or the 3 o'clock position.
Okay, so I know we're all car guys, but this is probably the most cool thing I've ever heard in my life. Okay, so being part or was part of a race team and taking all the parts into the watch. I think that's so fantastic. Okay, that's a story worth telling it, right? So what the man here told us, that they're not changing just one part of the watch. So if from your car one part into the watch, they also paint the watch in the color of your car if you want to.
Yeah, exactly. It's also possible, but this guy, the owner, they want to have the original color signs part from the Audi e-tron, but with the in combination with the color of the hands. Okay, it's possible for me. It's no problem. Ask me, and I can do that.
Yeah, that's super cool. Okay guys, we found an absolute nostalgic German classic. So this is a Golf 1. Let me check. It's a GDI. It's a GDI Rally. It got 40,000 kilometers on it, and it's let me just zoom out. Look at that beauty. Look at this. Also, you see the rally protection down there. Oh my gosh. That's really, oh my god. I used to have one of these, not that one, but the stock version. So the stock version means at the end of the day it was nothing in it, not even a radio when I purchased it. But this car, some really hot feelings coming up right now. So we actually wanted to do some dinner break now, but we figured out that won't happen yet, because here are so many amazing cars. Look at that, okay? Look at these cars. It's even here we have Ferrari, Lamborghini, I'm sorry to say, but we have an A Corsa Cabriolet. That's, oh my god. So here's the thing, okay? This A Corsa, they're very popular. They're like student cars and everything. And it's placed next to a Lamborghini, and I bet $10 it grabs more attention than the Lambo.
Yeah.
Okay? Look at this. Oh my god. And of course, a 300 SL Roadster. Man, this car. What we have here, 911 Sport Classic.
Why the beauty is
why it's, yeah, I don't know why this car is outside, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, again guys, we're here at Klassikstadt, and it's super crazy what's going on, okay? So we made the watchmaker, what I think is, we checked the watches. He does do a fantastic job, okay? And also so many cars, so many impressions. We're gonna catch now some more clips for you guys. I hope you enjoy, and super crazy, super crazy. So if you have the chance to visit Frankfurt, visit the Klassikstadt. To excuse myself, so I figured out that this is a Huracan STO, and I said earlier that the A-Corsa will grab more attention. I'm walking up and around here. You're right, this car grabs the most attention, so I have to excuse myself. I'm very sorry, and now we go on with the clips. Okay, so this is pretty awesome. So what we have here is a E30 M3, and for me, this is with the 295 horsepower. This is one of the most iconic German sports cars you can literally get for money. I mean, this car changed the DDM. It's look at this, even the color scheme. It's such a blast. Okay, and I really know a lot of people who have M3s, E30s, but this design and this car is, it's so crazy, I tell you. So crazy. Such a lovely place. 356 coupe next to a GT3 RS. Super cool. Of course, we have a Ferrari F8 Tributo next to it. Alfa Romeo, I don't know. Giulia Sprint GTA. Okay. So again, guys, absolutely great place. Absolutely fantastic cars. The car spirit and the car culture in this place is so powerful. I'm speechless. I'm absolutely speechless. Mind blown. Absolutely mind blown. We're still at the place, and we found a shop that sells model cars in 1 to 18, 1 to 30, all scales. and look at their assortment. It's crazy. Look at this. Look here. How many cars they have. They even have the Seco cars. They have books. Even over here they have like classic race cars, like the rally cars from Audi down here. So that's fantastic. Also some merch of Porsche Motorsports, even more cars. Let's look. They even got a Ferrari. That's a Ferrari trailer, the old one.
Yeah.
From the old Le Mans races. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, they got an RWB Porsche.
Nakai's doing these.
Yes. Nakai-san is everywhere. Look here. There we go. That's so cool. I love that, by the way. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check for a car for my son and for the Pensol GDR that is displayed on the front, because I'm definitely taking that one home. And yeah, let's see if we find something really cool. Right guys, so that was literally our visit at Klassikstadt. A fantastic location. Also what the guy in the shop told us, that you can rent a location for events and anything you would love to have. Oh my god, I need to interrupt, but I'm sorry, but look at this. So again, so what the guy in the shop told us, that you also can rent this place as an now the car is accelerating. Also you can rent this place actually and host events there. That is pretty fantastic. Absolutely amazing cars. Was a pleasure to be here. And okay, I'm sorry, I need to interrupt again, but look at this. So I hope now I can finally end the outro. Okay, so coming back to the point. Fantastic location, fantastic event location. We had a look for the event location as well, and fantastic cars and so much automotive culture and history. I really fell in love with the place. So if you're in Frankfurt, if you like what you see, visit Klassikstadt. There's no entry fee, so it's literally for free, and you can check out all these amazing cars. So we're gonna now have some lunch, then we do a little toge run, and after the toge run we're gonna have some dinner. So it's a lot of cars and food stuff today, and I hope you enjoyed the little tour. Thank you so much for watching, and with that said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Cheers, bye bye. Oh, hey, you're still watching. Thank you so much. If you want to see more Shifter of Media content, you can subscribe here, or you can watch one of the latest video here. Thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's about time. Have a lovely day, and we see us in the next episode. Cheers.